My name is Abu Bakr Siddiq, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Villachil, Mangalore. And I am going to give internship seminar on manufacturers of plastic processing machineries under the guidance of Professor UN Baipadithaya, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Villachil, Mangalore. And we have done internship in the industry, Gurucharan Industries by Kampadi, from 8th July 2019 to 8th August 2019 for the manufacturing of plastic processing machineries. Introduction of the company. The company was started by Mr. Jayakar Shettigar in the year 1996. The company named Gurucharan Industries. It was set up by a small-scale industrial unit initially for the manufacturing of plastic processing machines. It was a small unit initially. Then it was financed under self-employment scheme by the Vijay Bank after considering the feasibility of the company and project and looking into the employees working there. And then the company was grown. And then if I say that the company mainly produces machines, plastic processing machines. In a machine, plastic processing machine, there are many parts, and they have done two workshops. One is for processing machineries, and then fabrication, and then management, and then engineering drawings, etc. The other one is that one workshop is for painting coating purpose. Painting for the machined parts, and then for the coating painting purpose they have one different workshop. Now, what are the different sections are present in a workshop? There, research and development, conventional machine shop, CNC machine cell, drawing rooms, plastic processing fabrication section, blower fabrication section, electrical section, assembly area. Apart from this, they have different small sections also, subsections for the easiness of their work to be done. Example, luggage lift, they have one different section there, and cutting sections, plastic processing machine fabrication unit, and then conveyors. For major parts, there was a subsection called for example, blower section, gearbox section, screw making shop, and panel section, etc. And then they had electrical section, machine parts storerooms they had, and then raw material storerooms in the first floor they had, and then dressing room, washrooms, etc. And then 5 sections were designed for our internship workshop: conventional machine shop, CNC cell, blowing fabrication area, plastic processing fabrication section, assembly area. And they have not allowed us to work there because it was accuracy and precision they required, and they have allowed us to work for small machinery process like grinding, then drilling we have done, and then welding, and small work where the accuracy does not matter. Gurucharan Industries manufacture the following: plastic processing machineries, allied machineries, spare parts, and then components of plastic processing and allied machineries. Some of the machines are shown here: polypropylene, low density polypropylene blow film plant, and then gearbox, what we have taken photo there. CNC gas cutting, it comes under cutting section. Plasma arc welding, CNC electrical metal arc cutting, extruder, Here the plastic, when we put into the blower, it comes into the extruder and then heats up. After melting, it comes through the die, this extruder, and then assembly of the shaft with the gearbox. It is one section there. They bring gearbox and then shaft connect assembly, do assembly there. Mode of transportation, they have luggage lift and then conveyors, and then CNC shop, some of the machined part, and then achievements. Some of their achievements include Export Award in 2004 for special recognition under SME category, plastic processing machineries and spare parts, by Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mangalore, India. And then internship outcomes and what we have done in internship. We have learned some of the machining processes, and we have done grinding and drilling and then welding, and some of the in assembly parts, we how to assemble, how to pack in packing section, and then in and then transfer loading unloading also we have done. We have also worked under, we have seen how it works in industry, how the scenario is, and then how the teamwork works in for example, in fabrication section itself there are 5 to 6 members, and then how they do fabrication, each members holding a job, and then how do they work to get that, to complete their work in a specified time. And then discipline they are following there. It was very good discipline. Each member were doing their job for specified task there itself, and they are not roaming here and there. It was very clear cut idea. They are working under their manager. And then machining processes, some of the machining processes we have learned. CNC, how it works, we have not worked under there. We have seen the section there. We are not allowed to work there. And then how the company is encouraging their labor. They are providing dressing room, and then washing rooms, and then tea in the morning and evening. It helps the laborers. And then time sense, we have learned how to follow the time sense. We are strictly asked to come at 8:30 in the morning and then leave at 5 in the evening. That we have to give a bioprint there initially, and it will then there is no attendance, that type of thing. We have created they created an ID for us, and we have to give some impression there. It automatically the attendance will be counted. And then noon we have got 1 hour of break for lunch. And then the company provided extra work. That means after evening, the laborers, the workers who are willing to work after 5, they are allowing, they giving suitable salaries for them. That is one of the mode of encouragement from the company point of view. Then polypropylene, low density polypropylene blow film plant. The Gurucharan group of industries is located in Baikampadi. And then distribution of raw materials and finished products. CEE Plastics established in year 2000 in 1996. Gurucharan Plastics established in 2000. Gurucharan Polymers established in year 2004. Gurucharan Engineering Industries established in 2006. Then there are mainly 8 departments. He said research and development. There is research and development drawing rooms are one, there was one room there, and the it was very they have one model. Initially they are doing some minor changes in their model, and then for as per the requirement of the customers, their research and development, there is no much more research and R&D. There is a little bit changes in their model as per the customer requirement. Then conventional machine shop, there were many lathe machines, as for example, for almost 30 lathe machines there were for the machining of the parts required for the plastic processing machineries. Their manufacturing unit is self-reliant facility with the extensive in-house infrastructure. Their products are result of elaborate process of creating end products of extraordinary finish and performance. Then drawing rooms designs are made for cutting works. Some of the in CNC machines, plasma cuttings, the designs are done in that drawing rooms. They had electrical sections. The electricals and electronics requirement of the for the machine they have brought from the outside, and the other parts required for the machine is done there itself. And then three-phase electrical motor is the main driving unit of that machine. They have brought, not manufactured there itself, and other some of the major parts are manufactured there itself, and then they have sent these machined parts for coating and painting purpose for their other workshop, nearby workshop. Thank you.